Morning, y'all. Thanks for tuning in. I wanted to share with you the change that I am planning to make today, and that is actually me combing out my locks. 163 locks after 18 years. I've been thinking about this for a while. Actually, was going to do it when I retired. But I've been looking up a lot of things on YouTube, and it's motivating me to just go ahead and take the leap. Now, I know y'all wondering, like, all of this beautiful hair, why would she comb them out? But we'll get to that later. Now, let's get into the supplies. These are all of the supplies that I ordered. Starting out, cheesecloth, wrap, plastic wrap, flaxseed, silicone, combs, and detangling and spray. And now I am going through the process of making a flaxseed gel. Just one more swing of that hair. This is after work all day, and why would I do this on a Friday after working all day? But I was motivated to do it, so here we go. So the first attempt to take them out, and I'm using the silicone mix. I got this information from a lady at the hair store. So I guess I trusted her. I thought she knew she would have some information on how to do it. I don't know why I thought that she would, because she didn't have any locks. And I said, "Did you comb out your locks with this?" And she said no, but she recommended it, and she said it had amazing slip. So she said that's what you need. And because I had ordered cholesterol, but it didn't come in the mail yet from Amazon. So I was just waiting it out, but I just wanted to start today. So I'm putting this plastic wrap on to just keep it wet and moist, because you want it to be wet and moist. The first attempt, I am using a lice comb. It works pretty well with detangling, but it was also taking out a substantial amount of hair, which got me a little bit worried. So here is after an hour of me combing out this first lock, and I ended up cutting off like half of it. It was breaking off. It was breaking off so much. I don't know if it's because of the silicone. I'm not sure, but it broke off substantially. But we have to keep in mind that your hair sheds every day, and I have not combed my hair in over 18 years. So the first lock took me an hour, and I basically retained half of my length. And this is all the hair that I lost from that one lock. Now, day two, I am back at it, but first I have to do my homework. Now, here we go again at this. And why do I do this? I decided to measure my hair, and now I just got discouraged all over again. Um, Whoever is deciding to do this, I mean, you're going to lose hair. Now I am soaking my hair in flax seed gel, the one that I made the other day, and um, that was that. I basically stopped. I let it sit overnight, and then I started back up on the next morning with the silicone mix again. I do not know why I use this again, because to me it has a smell to it. It has a smell to it, and oh, I know why. I actually ran out of flax gel. I was soaking it, and then it spilled. So the process of making a flax gel was taking really long. It takes not really long, but it took 30 minutes, and I just said, why not? I already had a silicone, so I used that for that day. So here I am soaking my hair. Remember, you have to keep your hair moist. It's a must. And here we go with a lice comb again, and trying to use these several tools. So people are saying that you can use a rat tail comb, which I never really got the hang of it, but here we go. So here I am once again with soaking my hair with the plastic wrap and let it sit. And here is the final results. And after 3 days, I combed out 10 locks. This is going to be a long journey, you guys. Stick with me. Stay tuned.